Good day everyone. I remember the latter part of last year, I made a tutorial on the introduction of nRF24 radio model. This time round, I made a simple project to transmit a switch signal from station A to light an LED at station B using the nRF24 radio model. So this is the transmitting station and the receiving station. So let's try something. You press the switch, then the LED will light up. So you press the switch, then LED lights up. It's very fast, very swift and reliable. On just a tap, then it transmits it. This is towards a personal project of making a personal RC remote controller to control my robotics that I'm going to be creating, my RC planes and my RC cars. So this is basically an introduction of what I'm currently making during this vacation. So this is the beginning, and as time goes on, I will be embedding it with the analog joystick controller. I have 4 of them here, which I shopped from enix.com. I also have 3 spare of the nRF radio model in case I mistakenly fry them up. I have 3 pieces to change them as time goes on. So watch out for more updates. Thank you.